This video is sponsored by unolist.com.
Alright, today we're going to be talking about a very frequent problem that most people run into, including us. Either this door comes loose or this thing kind of becomes loose like that. Okay, I'm going to show you how to fix that. It's a very quick fix. Okay, so this problem, this door very rarely comes off, but it does come off if you move it enough. So all you have to do is, when that happens, this thing, there's a plastic thing, I don't know if you can see it, there's a plastic thing here that just pops out. That's all it is. So if you push that back in, it's like push it back in, then it's fixed. It's same problem on both sides. There's sometimes the plastic piece comes out. It's a hinge, basically, a long rod, hinge rod. So you just have to, it's a plastic one. So you just got to push it in on both sides, then it's good to go. Okay, the most frequent problem that people run into is, you see this, like how it's moving so much. This top portion of the lid, basically this is the whole lid, is moving. And it's a very simple fix, and we can take care of that right now in 5 minutes. So this is the most common problem that people run into. And I mean, this is not a fancy toilet. It's just, I think we bought this from Lowe's. So you see these two plastic boxes here, tiny boxes here. And if you open one of these boxes, I can show you where you feel like all you need is just a flathead screwdriver. Okay, so this side, it looks like it's tight enough, so we don't need to do anything here. Yeah, this one is tight enough. So this is the one that's loose, so we're going to open this one up, the left side one, and then we're going to fix that. All right, method one, what we're going to do is we're going to hold the plastic nut from underneath and tighten the screw from the top. Method number two, we're going to hold the top with the screwdriver, and we're going to tighten from the bottom. Just make sure it's properly aligned, the seat. Make sure the seat is properly aligned. Just hold the nut from the bottom. That's it. As you can see, now it's not wobbling anymore. It's not moving around. It's pretty tight. So, I mean, this will happen over time. All you have to do is just go in, whichever one becomes loose. Just open this up, hold the nut from the bottom, and just tighten the top with a flathead screwdriver. That's all. So simple fix. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.